Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by making the Chromecast visible and your phone ready. First, plug the Chromecast into your TV's HDMI port and connect power. Switch the TV to that input. Next, open the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure the phone is on the same Wi-Fi you plan to use. Enable Bluetooth and location so the app can find the device quickly. Once done, the app should detect a new Chromecast automatically and prompt you to start setup. You'll now configure the Chromecast and connect it to your network. Tap the detected device in Google Home and verify the code displayed on your TV matches the app. This confirms you're pairing the right unit. Choose or create a home, give the Chromecast an identifiable name, then select your phone's Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The device may download and install firmware. This can take a few minutes, so make sure it stays powered. Finally, start casting and confirm everything works. Open a supported app like YouTube, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast. The content should appear on TV and you control playback from your phone. To stop, tap disconnect or stop casting in the app. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart the Chromecast and your phone first, then ensure both use the same Wi-Fi band. Switch to 2.4 GHz if connectivity is flaky. Factory reset only if other fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.